Hello everyone, welcome to the BISP solutions. So today we'll see how to calculate the sales tax through writing of the business rule. So let's go to our application. If you go to the dimensions and in account dimension, under retained earnings current, under owner's income, under net income. If you drill down your continuing operations income, you have pre-tax income, under that you have operating income, under that you have gross profit. And here under sales, you can see your product revenue, and under cost of sales, so you can see your product revenue is your one account that is being created, and on that revenue, if you see, you have sales tax, under sales tax, this is your tax account which has been created. So we'll use these two account and write the rule. So if you go to the rules under create and manage, so fix your dimensions. That is, first I'll fix my movement dimension, which is nothing but, start with double inverted quotes, FCCS underscore no movement, comma, FCCS underscore data input, comma, that is, I'm fixing my movement dimension, my data source dimension, and view, which is nothing but periodic, and your product, which is no product. All right, and then you can select your accounts. Like, I'm calculating my tax, so my sales tax is the account that I've created. So sales tax is equals to product revenue into it. You can say, if sales tax is 5%, so it is 0.05, or it is 8%, so 0.08%, and use end fix. So this is, you have written it like this, that is whatever is your product revenue, if you multiply it by 8%, that is your sales tax amount. You can use even your substitution variable also and write it over here, that we have already seen how to do that in our last session. So you can directly write it or you can use the substitution variable, it's up to you. Then you can validate it. Deploy it and then launch. So here under launch you can choose the consolidation member. You can use entity input. Currency, you can use it as entity currency. Currency as entity currency. You can select for any entity for which you are trying to work out this rule. So you can select this entity. So this is your entity, and period you can select for which period you are trying to write this rule. So like I can say for Jan. So under year total, under quarter 1 you can say Jan. Scenario you can say actual. And then years you can say any of the year as like FY21. Apply values to this rule and then click on OK. Alright, so this rule is run. You can go to your smart view. We'll prepare our smart view quickly. We'll create the connection quickly. All right. Quickly, we'll use the values. Currency will be entity currency. Movement used as no movement. Data source we have used as data input. Consolidation we have used as entity input. Intercompany as no intercompany. Multi-gap I have used as local gap. Product I have used as no product. Years is FY21. Period it is Jan. And entity used C101. I will copy it from here. Under North America, this is this entity. So I'll refresh it. Account you can say as product revenue, and the next is your sales tax. So one is your product revenue, and next is under your provision for income tax, that is your sales tax. Refresh it. All right. So like revenue, suppose it is 75,000 is the revenue, then how much sales tax you will pay. So submit data. Till it is submitting, we'll go back to our rule. We'll launch it again. Yes, this is only the values that I'm using. Click on OK. Okay, this is launched, and once you'll click refresh, it will give you the result, which is nothing but 8% of 75,000 is your sales tax amount that you have to pay to the government. So this is how we have written the rule for the sales tax. Similarly, you can do it using the substitution variable by using the percentage and use that variable over here. And so that every time whenever you want to apply that, you can use the substitution variable, replace it with the substitution variable. Okay, then that's all for the today. That's all for today, and we'll connect in the next session for the next rule. Thank you all for your time. If you have any questions, please contact BISP Solutions. Thank you all for your time. We'll see the next rule in the next session.